Welcome to Oke TradeMate. In this video, we'll show you how subcontractors can create and send invoices directly from the Jobmate app. First, open the Jobmate app and go to your profile. From there, tap on Invoices. Before sending your first invoice, tap on Settings in the Invoices section. You can upload your business logo. Add your items, set the rate per day or hour, and choose a tax code, like GST or VAT. You can also choose your invoice due date and add the bank details for payment. Once this setup is done, your invoice settings are saved. So when creating future invoices, you can simply select from your saved items instead of re-entering them each time. To create a new invoice, go to the Invoices tab and tap the plus button. Choose the invoice date and you'll have two options to add items. First one, add manually. Enter the item name and description. Then select whether the rate is per day, set rate, or per hour. If it's per day, simply enter the rate and the quantity. If it's per hour, enter the rate. You can also manually enter the quantity. Or, if you'd like the system to calculate it for you, then select a start date and end date. The system will automatically calculate the total approved timesheet hours within that period and use it as the quantity. Select whether to apply tax for this item. Then, select the appropriate tax code and enter the rate. The app will calculate your subtotal, tax, and grand total automatically. The second option to add items is Add from System. Select this option to use your saved products. If it's a set rate item, just enter the quantity. If it's an hourly based item, you can either manually enter the quantity or select a start and end date, and the system will pull in the total approved hours. Auto-filling the quantity. You can add comments, attach photos or documents, and choose to email this invoice to your contractor directly. You can even preview your invoice as a PDF before sending. Once everything looks good, you can choose to save as draft or tap Send to submit the invoice to your contractor. Your invoice will appear in the Submitted tab. Once approved and paid, the status will change and you'll receive a notification. You can also check the invoice status at a glance by looking at the icon beside each invoice. $sign icon means your invoice has been paid. Green check means your invoice has been approved by the contractor, but is still waiting to be marked as paid. Hand icon indicates that your invoice has been submitted and is currently waiting for approval. Need to reuse an invoice? Tap the copy button on any submitted invoice. Select a new invoice date, and all the details will be duplicated automatically. But take note, the total amount may show as 0. That's because some items in the invoice might have their quantity set to Add from System, which pulls hours from timesheets. Since you've changed the invoice date, the system will not automatically carry over the same hours. You'll need to either manually re-enter the quantity or select a new date range to pull updated hours from approved timesheets. Once you're done, you can edit the invoice, submit it, or save it as a draft. That's it. Invoicing on Jobmate is fast, easy, and secure. For more tips, check out our user guide or contact us. Thanks for watching.